happy. I thought we were doing happy.
You just said, oh, we doing what's up, HR fam? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, we gotta make that sound. Boom. Happy Thanksgiving.
Woo woo. So it's Thanksgiving Day, and you guys are like, it's Thanksgiving. Why are y'all in the car? That's because y'all, we are in line for Starbucks right now, and we got our jammies on. Well, I got on Christmas PJs. You got on? Well, no, you don't.
Got on clothes.
You just got on.
But let me tell you why while we're at Starbucks, because we have no more Nespresso pods.
Yes, I told y'all Henry be drinking Nespresso now. So
don't even blame it on me. I probably had like 4 or 5. Shalonda ran through the whole 30. Literally. The Nespresso pods go more quickly, and I did not even realize that's the only downfall about Nespresso. If you don't live next to a Nordstrom that has the Nespresso boutique inside of it, where you can go and like pick it up, you can only order it online. And so then I forgot to order it in enough time to get it before Thanksgiving. I hope our guests don't ask for coffee. Yeah, what are we gonna do about coffee? We do have a Keurig,
but I mean, we could wipe the Keurig off.
It's been sitting out there.
It has been sitting out there. Can't do that. Yeah. But yeah, so we don't have any Nespresso pods, so we're at Starbucks since I could not finish my Thanksgiving feast without coffee.
Do we have a traditional coffee pot? Maybe we just get that.
I don't know who actually even wants coffee. Like, I don't think I'm gonna buy a coffee maker for. Respectfully. Yeah. But anyway, oh, what am I gonna get? I think I'm gonna get a white peppermint mocha with soy milk.
Yeah, I think I want juice and coffee. What's up, Naya?
Naya's in the back. She hear us talking. She thinks she's being left out.
Got that thing on there?
Yeah, I usually zipping it down and do put down the flap. But yeah, so we're in the Starbucks line, about to get some Starbucks, then we're going back home. I got a lot of stuff done this morning, so I'm gonna show you guys like how Thanksgiving dinner is coming along.
How many of y'all Thanksgiving dinners start on time?
Period.
We one of those on time type Thanksgiving dinners. Period. You show up late, you might miss your plate. Hey! So you better be on time.
Yeah, so
you can get in line.
Period. Right, mamas?
That's right.
Mama's in the back. It's Naya's first Thanksgiving. When she woke up this morning, I was just like, happy Thanksgiving, mama. And she was just smiling. Of course, she didn't know nothing about nothing. But
I'm thankful that never ceased to amaze me.
What was that? Sucks because the Ravens were supposed to play the Steelers today. Again, after we lost. I wanted to play. Because of the rain.
Oh,
because of the rain. Oh. But yeah, they had to postpone it because a lot of our team members and a lot of people with the Ravens organization actually caught COVID, which is crazy. So there's that. But yeah, I'm hungry. Do you want to get breakfast food from here too, or you want to stop at McDonald's? I was just gonna get a sausage, egg, and cheese, but they have a good one here too.
I don't like Starbucks breakfast.
Okay.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have a grande soy, I'm sorry, a grande soy peppermint white mocha, hot, please?
Grande soy peppermint white mocha hot. Anything else for you?
Yes.
Toasted white chocolate mocha frap.
Can I get a toasted white chocolate mocha frap? Grande.
Toasted white chocolate mocha frappuccino, grande.
That's all.
You just key that in.
Okay.
All right. Anything else for you?
No.
All right. Your total is $11.88.
Thank you. All right, y'all. So we are back from Starbucks. We had our Starbucks. We had our breakfast, and now I can get on with the rest of our day. Just put Aniya down for a nap. She was already sleeping when we got home, so she's down so I can get a couple of things done. But let me give you guys a little bit of progress, little update. So the green beans and the sauerkraut are done. So here is the sauerkraut under there. And then I'll just show you the greens back here. So I got some extra greens in there, and then that's over there. Oh, we totally forgot to say. Totally forgot to tell you guys, but we are having a small Thanksgiving, really small, really intimate, not a lot of people at all. So that's what we're doing, because you guys are probably wondering, like, that's way too much food for just y'all. It is way too much food. So yeah, we decided to host a little tiny little thing. But yeah, so stuffing is here. This is just you know, sitting out waiting for me. And then I got the setup over here. I'm going to move it over to the kitchen island, but I just have this out for right now. We do have like precautions in place for how people will get their food. Y'all see the hand sanitizer is right here, but that's not the only thing that we have in place. But yeah, we are going to have some stuff in place for how people grab their food. Got the little stuff that I bought from Target. We have an extra table here just for people to spread out. Like I said, it's not that many people at all, but just so that, you know, people won't be all up on top of each other. We have this table, and then we have this table as well. We actually grabbed this table off of the balcony, just again, if people want to spread out even more. It's only a little two-seater, but if people want to spread out even more, we have this option too. So yeah. What else? I think that's pretty much all that is going on. And then that's pretty much it right now. I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for, oh, the turkey. Turkey's in the oven. You guys can't really see it, but it's in there. I had to cover it with foil so that it doesn't get overcooked and that the skin doesn't get like too brown. So that's it. I think that turkey is actually about to come out in about 30 minutes. I think it's only like 10:30, so I'm really ahead of schedule. And then I'm gonna put in the ham and the sweet potatoes, and then after that, I think I'm really just gonna be like sitting around until later. I want the macaroni and cheese to be really hot and fresh for when people get here, so that's gonna be the last thing that I make. That's pretty much it, y'all. It's gonna be on and popping up in here. So yeah, I will check in with you guys in a little bit once I'm like doing something else. Turkey has been cooking for the recommended amount of hours. It actually didn't make a lot of juice, which I'm kind of disappointed in. I need the juice to make a homemade gravy. Is this hot? Oh, this is a little hot. Oh, this is hot. Okay. I just got my herbs stuffed in there. I just have the herbs stuffed in there. But yeah, it should be done. It looks good and it smells freaking amazing. I'm going to use the vegetables that's in the bottom of the pan in my stuffing. I'm also going to use that juice, like I said, in my stuffing, and to make a homemade gravy. So this shall be delicious. The skin kind of like peeled back. That's why the breast is exposed. But yeah, guys, it's going down. So you just spoon off that fat at the top. Put it in a pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. You don't really need butter because you already got the one fat, but I'm gonna add butter anyway. And then to this, we're gonna add equal parts flour. So what we're doing, the fat and the flour is gonna come together and make a roux. And then that roux is gonna be what thickens up the juices here and makes a gravy. So once you add that flour, you mix it into that fat. You just let that flour cook out a little bit because you don't want your gravy to taste like flour. So just letting the flour cook out a bit. Ham just came out. Look at that. 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 Bomb. Oh my gosh, y'all, it has been some hours later. Things started to hit the fan. I was getting down to the wire and I could not check back in with you guys, but everything is fine now. I was like 15 minutes behind, but now we are back. We're on schedule. It's only 5 after 4 and guests are starting to arrive, so that's super exciting. So this is the setup. I'll show you guys once I uncover everything, but here's all the food and stuff. The sodas were here, but people were a little late, so I put them in the fridge to keep cold. The waters are in the freezer, and then here's this, and then I showed you guys this earlier. Family, hi, Muffin, Muffin, Muffin. Is it your first Christmas? God, help me. Is it your first Thanksgiving? Oh my goodness, my baby, you look so sweet and pretty. Mama, you look so sweet. Look at you. Oh my gosh. And then babe, he tried to match me, y'all. He tried to match me. He tried to match me.
Mom went out to go get a fit. Happy Thanksgiving, HL fam.
Happy Thanksgiving. Mama.
We are thankful for y'all.
No, we definitely are.
We're thankful for y'all. So.
Mommy, look at your little velour outfit and your matching headband. But like I said, people are starting to arrive, so I will catch you guys in a little bit once I undo the, what's this called? Once I unveil the food, then I'll come back and show you guys what everything looks like.
This was nice and heavy.
So here is everything. The chicken, and then the mac and cheese, the rice, got some sweet potatoes, some greens, sauerkraut, the cranberry sauce, got the rolls under here, sodas, plenty of wine and all different cutlery.
Looking at everybody. Go, Naya. Yay.
How the heck you get my slippers on?
Yeah.
Mama Buddha.
Naya.
Bye-bye. Two hands.
No.
Two hands. It's okay. You got it. Two hands. How about mom? Put two hands on.
She just laying here.
Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Y'all, the wig has come off. The guests are gone. My sisters and my mom helped me clean up, so my kitchen is back to normal. And oh my goodness, first Thanksgiving in the new house and first Thanksgiving for Aniya is down in the books. I didn't get any videos of Aniya eating her first meal, but I did get some pictures. I'll insert them up here so you guys can see. But yeah, I have some other pictures on my Instagram, so make sure you guys head on over to our Instagram. Our Instagrams are down below in the description box. I am worn out, guys, worn out. I'm about to just sit back, relax, drink some wine, and unwind. Okay, so I hope that you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I really hope that, you know, you guys got to either spend time with your immediate family or your extended family or whatever the case may be, but that you stayed safe. We will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas Day 3. Peace.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.